We are going to Fort Worth.
No!
Here in beautiful Pasadena with Sara, a very good friend of mine. She's looking for an old Volvo. It must be a contagious thing. So this is like a smog station service center, and they've actually got not this 240, but this really beautiful 76. So today we're gonna figure out, is this gonna be a good family car? Is a 45-year-old oh, it's a 264. Oh boy, there's a service nightmare, but actually the price is right. First impressions?
But it has a sunroof.
But it has a sunroof. I don't know if it's gonna be right for you. Let's see if you could need some service, but she's partying.
I know.
She's party though. That's how I'm gonna keep saying that, so maybe I'll find something else to add. This is so common to see the wires becoming brittle like that. See how the insulation would crumble on them? And it was only for certain things, like the turn signals, that connector. The longer it doesn't start, the more negotiating power we have. That'd be so funny. I hate what it could do to you.
You hate it.
I hate it for you, but I like it as a Volvo. Yeah, that's... She looks party, but doesn't really play the part. Oh, and the Volvo's not bad either. Yikes. I would like to start this postscriptum by apologizing to you for your experience. That car didn't want to go anywhere.
It wasn't terrible. It was terrible, but it wasn't terrible. That's all I have to say.
Moving on. 1992. So remind me again, how long ago did you buy the car?
I'd have to look, but I'm gonna say it was a couple months ago, maybe?
Yeah.
2-3 months ago.
Sarah, do you want to drive this?
No.
Because the one we saw earlier was so bad, you might actually enjoy the
Well, you drive
upgrade.
first. You're familiar with these cars.
Okay.
You're gonna, you know. The other, it has its quirks. Everything's great, but the one little quirk is, you'll see when you go to drive it, when you put it in drive, and I'm not sure if it's an adjustment, but sometimes you kind of have to, it doesn't go, when you go like this into drive, it's like it almost doesn't go all the way into drive. You kind of got to touch it, the shifter a little bit like this to, you know, backwards to, but it you know,
And
doesn't leak and it shifts and runs great.
Thank you.
Oh, like an old pair of jeans.
Yeah, yeah, and all the windows work.
That's great. Very good.
Play with the heat and the AC and all that stuff.
Thank you. Boy. Come on, give me some power here.
Is that just how they sound?
And this one sounds different. It sounds blankety. This is Silver Lake, and this is the neighborhood area that I just think is so cool. I shouldn't be cruising, I should be test riding.
Yeah. Look at those butts.
It doesn't go to first, it only stays in second. My foot's all the way down and it's staying in second gear. I think you gotta work on the adjustment for the kickdown cable.
Okay. I'll get right on that.
Yeah. Sarah, this car
Yes.
is beautiful.
Yes.
It's been maintained.
Yes.
And it matches the Portaloos. Hey, look. See, what do you think about having no roof rack versus that one having a roof rack? Would you like to have no roof rack?
I guess I like the racks.
Wow, these brakes are great.
Because I have none.
Oh, I prefer the no rack look because you can always get bolt-on racks. Not bolt-on, but like clamp-on racks. We're gonna get rid of the beans here.
Wow.
This is your mom's boat.
Fancy.
She needs struts. She needs struts big time. Because that front end wanders. And I could see the boots. Not the boots, the strut mounts are pretty rowdy.
What a boot do.
Okay, the door lock thing is easily fixed.
Yeah, but it
the
doesn't
wiring
bother me
shorts.
that much.
Yeah, this thing's awesome, dude.
I know, I kind of love it.
It's got AC.
I love it.
I just like that everything works. It's not going to be a disruptor.
And, hello.
He said no radio.
I play my CDs. I know, he said no radio.
Right, heater's on.
Is it?
It's a red wagon, right? You know I'm going to say yes.
I've already said yes. But I said yes to the last one.
Was that our turn?
I don't know.
Oh, let's try this.
Wow.
Look at that, it goes in reverse.
I'm impressed.
It looks like our turn. Yeah, I see them. U-turn. I'm making circles. Yeah. You see this? This is BMW good. So, all right, a 264 slash 240 swap is not really the right car for you. That's an R.
Oh my goodness.
That's an R design.
Okay.
That XC90?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
But this is a great family car for you.
You like her?
I'll give this my seal of approval.
Yay!
And look, the steering wheel. Okay, one more thing. The steering wheels on the top, they get gummy,
Yeah.
and they separate from the metal. This hasn't done that.
Okay, don't
Yeah.
do it.
No, I'm just saying, it doesn't even wiggle. Like this, you know, they'll just, oh, I see. Neutral to drive. There's a little bit of slop.
Okay.
It's not slop. It's not slop. It's like something else
Slope.
entirely. Slow. You see how much that danced? Yeah. Yep. Okay, how excited are you?
Very.
Yeah, it's your first Volvo. I think this is just bad habits rubbing off, but honestly, it's such a great car.
It was really easy to work on Bruce, so.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, and you're gonna get better fuel economy, I think. You know, one of these days you'll
Can I
start
show you
itching
something?
for a V8.
Look. If you angle it properly, you can get the hearts in the background.
The hearts, the balloons. Yeah. This will make a great car for you and your little lad, and he's gonna love it. It's a little red
I really
wagon.
hope so, yeah.
So
It's
it's
not blue.
cool. And as problems may or may not come up, you know, you can consult me. I'll give you a discount.
Thanks.
Nice try. Okay, also there's a XC90R design up there. I spot them silver mirrors from here, so I gotta drive by it. Because, you know, it's a little something for everyone out here in Silver Lake. I wonder if they even know what they have, if they even care. But anyway, the duel of the fates right here. It must be our lucky day.
Oh no.
What?
I like the roof racks.
You do?
Yeah.
Those are just sticks. Those are screw sticks.
I like the screw sticks.
Yep. Like your fuel economy more, I hope.
It's tan.
Oh, we have the cash, and the value of the 240 has really kind of gone up because they're just popular. And while you can still find your run-of-the-mill $200 240, that's going to be a car that needs a whole bunch of work. But this thing is so meticulously maintained, and the underside looks so good. We're paying premium, but only the best for the family. Ew. Now that you're in the Volvo family, I have some gifts for you for your new acquisition. This is stuff that you may need every day. Fuses. Can't get them in stores, so that's very important. Spare light bulbs. FYI, none of those fit your car. We'll try something. Utility straps. Just, you know, things might rattle. You can use those to hold down the baby seat. And actually, you'll need this one for the baby seat. That's the attachment, the adapter. This is the original 240 hardware kit that'll have things to remove your lug nuts, screwdrivers, and a couple of plastic clips that I never threw away. No explanation needed. Stops the rattles if the bungees don't. That keeps your hand moisturized. And emergency roadside flares. Great.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Feel good. That was a statement, not a question.
I'm missing the trim. So could you?
Trim maker. Forgot its other purpose.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good night. Safe
right.
travels and good luck.
Thank you.
And just like that toolkit's coming in handy now because, well, the fan clutch failed. So the car started overheating. Just goes to show if something was working, doesn't mean it's going to continue working. Should be a quick change out here in the light. So, today's a wax day. I'm going to teach you how to wax your car. And let's just show what it's like right now. That's how not reflective it is. Okay, we're in the sun. Oh, yikes. There's some scuffs there. This is all cracked up. And the roof's nice. Nothing's gone. I don't think this car's been repainted, but I don't know if it's a single stage or not. Ooh, swirl marks everywhere. I mean, who was towel drying incorrectly all these years? Yeah, that might come out. That doesn't look so deep. And up here on the roof line, scuffs, scratches everywhere. This is, yep, she's got a clear coat. That's good. If I can't tell that it's cleared, that means it's doing its job. Wonder what happened there. Okay, a little bit of clear coat's missing right here in this corner. All right, there we go. Welcome to the 90s. Okay, remember how I was saying water drains? Yeah, this cowl is plugged up with what looks like a nest of just small branches and whatever deposits this is. So, I'm just trying to go through and clean it all up so we can get our water draining again. Scooped out most of the leaves. Well, what I could, and then the rest I'm flushing out. You want these drains to look like that. We're in the shade, but there's no shine on this. You know what? You can actually walk on the hood all you want. Somebody else has. Still water spots after the clay bar. I did the side twice. A cut and buff would help, but that's about it. Get off your phone. We got a job to do. Welcome to the joys of ownership of a 240.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Bad news is she didn't have a lot of shine left to offer. The good news is it's protected for the next, I don't know, 10 years of neglect. Maybe not. But look at that. She's just going on her own. Beautiful. Well, Sarah, you get the task. The fun part is, over the next 7 days, you're going to find all the spots we missed, and every time you look at the car. What do you think? improvement?
Yeah. It feels better.
Feels good.
I'm all about the touch.